Welcome to Expressarte. I am teacher Marta María Almendares. What a pleasure to share with you. All right, let's get to work. This activity is in your textbooks. You can find it in your 7th grade English book, 2nd edition, on page 170. Here are some things you can make for them special someone on Valentine's Day, or just to show someone how you feel. All right, today we'll need scissors, silver or red pen, thin card, pencil, cup or mug, and white paper. Step 1. You'll need a piece of thick paper or thin card. Red or pink is the best color for this, but you could always use white and coloring if you like and fold the paper in half. Then use a cup or mug to draw a semicircle in the top corner. The semicircle should just be touching the top and the left edges of the card, like this. Now, draw a line down from the semicircle to the bottom of the paper. Cut out shape, and you should have 2 identical pieces of card, and cut in the middle too. Next, use a silver or red pen and write along the top of pieces. Only you can mend. Along the other top of the other piece, write "My broken heart." Pop both pieces into envelope and send it off to your Valentine. The trolley, only they can mend your broken heart. Don't give them any instruction. So then you'll know that if they take the time to figure it out, they must like you. Did you also try to do the project? Send it to us, contact@STVE telebasica.com. See you soon.
Hello, hello! My name is Linda. I am very sociable girl and I like to make new friends. I also like to work and I want to do this project with you. Materials: scissors, silver pen, thin card, pencil, cup or mug. Step 1. You'll need a piece of thick paper or thin card. Step 2. I recommend using colors such as red or pink. They are the best for this type of detail. Step 3. With the cup, we draw the semicircle. Step 4. The semicircle should just be touching the top and left edge of the card. Step 5. Now, draw a line down from the semicircle to the bottom of the paper. Step 6. Cut out shape and you should have 2 identical pieces of card. Step 7. Next, use a silver pen and write along the top of pieces. Only you can mend. along the top of the other piece. Write, "My broken heart." Pop both pieces into an envelope and send it off to your Valentine. And that's it! You already have a nice detail for a special date. Goodbye! I love you all!